So this is another parcel from the same seller. I hope this one is actually legit, because I'm gonna freaking flip if this is still like not real. I mean, not authentic. Okay, so you already know what this is, of course. I mean, you can see it from the title naman. Yeah. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. Okay, oh my gosh. Ta-da! What the heck? What is this? Speed QB. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Thanks though. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I hope this one's real though. Wow. Oh my gosh, this looks real. Kind of real. What? Is this real? Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. It's so pretty. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This the front, this side. Yeah. I no longer need to like. Okay. Please be Jungkook. Please. Please be Jungkook. I hope I pull Jungkook. Please. Oh my gosh, wait, how do I open this? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Please be Jungkook. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got Yoongi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got Yoongi. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. Oh, there's like a manufacturer error. Oh my god. Aww. There's like a small dent. But yeah, that's okay. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Anyway. Yeah, this is just cardboard. Let's put that aside. Oh my gosh, I got Yoongi. And then we have the other things in here. Oh. There's a postcard. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Wow. What? And then. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is the front, the back. This is so cool. Wow. This is disc 1, and then disc 2. Wow. And then we have the poster, which is like glossy in the front. Wow. Oh. Wait, oh. Is this it? Yeah. Wow. This is so cute. So pretty. It's like a long poster. This is the back. It's matte. Wow. This is crazy. And then the photo book. Is the spine? Yeah, let's move these aside. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I got Yoongi. I got Yoongi. So cool. Wow. This looks super thick. So I'm like doing it fast paced. Yeah. Oops. Can you hear it? I'm breaking it. Wow. Wow, he looks like an angel. The heck? Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Aww. Femin. Singularity. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No freaking way. I wish their solo performances. They no longer do solo performances and is Arerang tour. Currently it's their Arerang tour right now. They just finished their Busan Festa. Oh my gosh. Oh, The Truth Untold. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is insane. The pictures are so pretty. Tear. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. J-Hope is killing me. J-Hope. Oh my god, my baby. I think I might have manifested him so much because Yoongi's been bias wrecking me this comeback, and I'm claiming on TikTok that he's my bias right now. Although I know like Tay Tay is still my bias, but I'm like double biased right now. So yeah, I pulled him. Biased so hard, I pulled him. Oh my god, that's so cute. Shut up. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm so sorry. We're almost done, I think. Wow. Oh, Taekook. Oh no. I don't want to see them cry because I'm like gonna bust out crying. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like breaking it. I'm breaking it. Anyway. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was like rehearsal. Oh my god, Jin. How does one look so freaking perfect? I thought nobody is perfect. Jin is like so perfect. They all look so good though. Aww. Their mics. I mean, they're like, yeah, what do you call that? Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. Yay. And we're done. And that is that. Yeah. I got Yoongi. Oh, it's so disgusting. In case I have the photo book, poster, the discs, and then a postcard, and then Yoongi. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I love, 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 love. Bye.